There's always value in dealing with breakdowns fast. But with our preventative maintenance solution, we follow Tetra Pak Maintenance System recommendations to ensure a minimum of unplanned stops and disturbances in your operations. This unique methodology ensures that we identify the right recommendation at the right time based on input from your equipment, global data, and best practices. In combination with our highly skilled service engineers, Tetra Pak Preventive Maintenance is a comprehensive and proactive maintenance solution that allows your equipment to sustain high performance over long periods of time. This minimizes the risk of unplanned stoppages, maximizes uptime, and reduces the duration of any planned service stops to save you money in the long run. In fact, by implementing preventive maintenance as part of your maintenance activities, you can reduce costs by up to 40% compared to not doing maintenance proactively. So, if you're looking to secure equipment performance and reliability while optimizing overall operational cost and ensuring consistent product quality, preventive maintenance by Tetra Pak holds the key. Tetra Pak Services, your key to boosting productivity.